व्हाट्सअप युट्युब फ्यामिली आज म फेरि आइसकेको छु आफ्नो नयाँ ब्लग लिएर। आजको यो हो सिएमएसको ब्लगको पार्ट 3। आज म तेस्रो दिन भयो सिएमएस आएको र यस्तो आज चाहिँ मेरो रियल इभेन्ट हिजोसम्म मेरो साथीहरूको थियो, अस्ति चाहिँ म आएको र आज चाहिँ मेरो मोडल मेकिङको प्रोग्राम र यस्तै अहिले म जाँदैछु ब्रेकफास्ट गर्न र ब्रेकफास्ट गर्न तपाईँहरू वहीँ भेटौँ, ब्रेकफास्ट गरौँ, त्यसपछि इभेन्टहरू छन् त्यसलाई पनि देखाउँछु र एसेम्ब्ली पनि छ ऊ तपाईँहरूले देखाउँछु। लेट्स गो।
If you are new, please subscribe my channel.
चाहिँ म पुगिसकेँ ब्रेकफास्ट गरेर र अहिले म स्कुल ड्रेसमा छु पुरै। आज छ हाम्रो सिएमएसको प्रेयर एसेम्ब्ली है, एसेम्ब्लीमा जान्छौँ। अब देखाउनु एसेम्ब्ली त देखाउनु मिल्दैन सायद, तपाईँहरूलाई उसपछिको इभेन्टहरू देखाउनु नै छु र त्यही भेट्नेछौँ है। अहिले चाहिँ मेरो प्रोग्राम सिकिसक्यो र म अहिले कोठामा आइसकेको छु सब सामान राख्नलाई र अब मेरो साथीको प्रोग्राम छ अडिटोरियममा, त्यहाँ जाँदैछु। हेरौँ के हुन्छ वहाँ। अडिटोरियममा डिबेट कम्पिटिसन छ मुनिकाको, त्यहाँ जाँदैछु।
Their tasks include reasoning, problem solving, or even understanding the natural languages. If you think that from our daily Spotify music to diagnosing the diseases, AI is being used.
Look at how many news of people whose artistic creativity is gone to use because AI can make something similar as in. And don't forget, fake AI generated images that have popped up on my relatives' feed and they have come to ask me if the news is real. Did this really happen? Is that true? No, it was all AI generated. But the confusion still stands.
AI, we have no use for it. We create it because...
Okay, 12.
According to you, AI employs people, then why is there a 10% rate of unemployment in India?
Saying that there is unemployment currently in India because of AI.
I am saying that you are supporting that AI provides employment. So why is there 10% of the population unemployed?
You're gonna cross questioning. Give the question straight. Let's think about the question. The question should be straight. Okay, name yourself.
AI is a machine that works just as accurate as the algorithm that is running it. When AI is set with accurate and correct algorithm, it will give the results that are just astonishing. And each and every business that has adopted it has seen significant improvement in their productivity. AI is a backbone, ladies and gentlemen, because it is not a replacement, rather it's an extension to the human capability. There is no denying the fact that there are various tasks that cannot be performed by the vulnerable humans. But artificial intelligence to our rescue, everything can be possible. Talking about the education sector, we all are students sitting over here. AI can have effective impact on education. And in security, AI is not only used for digital security, but also physical security. We all know about the mishappening occurring in the coal mines and factories. There, AI can replace human. And when I say replace, yes, replace, because AI is replacing human in some field, it doesn't mean AI is causing unemployment. And to my all the friends, that if we can make it, then we can break it too. Thank you.
The participant took 1 minute and 26 seconds.
Okay, MK04.
So the intellectual, you said that AI systems can do anything. So what about the human touch in healthcare? When AI replaces doctors, it only gives the medicine they need. They don't feel any empathy to the patients, giving patients a dissatisfaction. So what are your thoughts on that?
See, AI is not developed that the beginning. So you're talking about AI is only giving medicines. So it was programmed to just, it is not that much developed still. So the main point that I want to say, it has not been that much such advices to us.
No questions? Okay, time is up.
Dreams are not that which you see while sleeping. They are something which does not let you sleep at night. Ever since childhood, my life has revolved around curiosity. And when I nurtured this curiosity and used it for some great work, it led to various accomplishments and failures alike. Both of which have taught me more than any educational institution in this world ever could. I was born to a humble household in the city of Rameswaram, and despite not being the I remember not getting selected in the Indian Air Force or how my work for the Nandi hovercraft was never even implemented. But despite these failures and mishaps though, I did not give up and I kept working hard. And this hard work of mine was noticed as soon after this I was recruited as the mission and project director of India's first satellite launch vehicle to complete, and with thousands upon thousands of scientists and engineers.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
APJ Kalam was a minister in the central government. Which portfolio did he have? It was the time of our late Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
Any more questions?
Mr. Kalam, could you talk about your non-ISRO achievements in science?
Yes, ma'am, definitely. For non-ISRO achievement, as I mentioned in my speech as well, I was chosen as the head of the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program.
In terms of inventions or discoveries or contribution to any scientific projects which are outside space and tech and defense?
Ma'am, during my presidential term, I was thought of as a revolutionary for introducing and promoting the Office for Profit Bill, ma'am, under which, if I'm not wrong, the people who are already given privileges were not exactly given quotas or reservations, ma'am.
And anything in health?
Ma'am, within the health, during my presidential term, I took care of the people of my country because I knew that they were not the most, developed in terms of healthcare in our system. So we decided to make them into hospitals as well.
Okay, thank you.
It is fascinating how something that went extinct over 65 million years ago still piques an interest in my mind. That is somehow the case with me, having a knack for things that seem to have gone extinct. But there was one Othniel Charles Marsh with the same ideation. Marsh, a man with a brain as big creature's neck for its tail. That's absurd, right? I promptly went to my university professor, and goodness gracious, what did I find? I have made a mistake. I need to find as many copies of my article as I can, and I need to reduce them to ashes. Oh, it was that so easy to do. I didn't lose hope. I believe that I am not constructed for getting along comfortably with the general run of people. Is how I, Edward Wrinkle-Cope, am remembered. A pioneering paleontologist who used data-driven research to prove his findings, and wasn't afraid of letting people know just how good he was at what he did. Thank you, and keep digging.
What is your main premise around consciousness?
Well, the book that I wrote was actually disregarded later for the Darwin's theory of evolution. In my book, I stated that as creatures evolve during time, it is that they go smaller in size. But according to Darwin's theory of evolution, the more the creatures evolve, the more complex the structure gets, and the more they evolve in their sizes. So I think the book I wrote is contradictory to two facts that have been going down in history. But
Me? I, Galileo Galilei, have been one of the most prominent figures in this whole world. I have been the father of modern physics, philosophy, and
0. Participant, your time starts now.
Ladies and gentlemen, today as I stand here before you as Albert Einstein, the man who couldn't really stop asking questions. From a childhood, I was an inquisitive child. I did not see the light. The world witnessed my miraculia, annus mirabilis, where I published 4 groundbreaking papers, one after the other, each as astonishing than the before. First, let me ask you a simple question. What is time? Time is very crucial. Yes, it is a deceptively simple question, yet it is the key to understanding relativity. Oh, it is sort of the reason my hair are going grey. Well, when we describe motion, we do so as a function of time. 10 meters per second, 100 miles per hour. But the thing about velocity is that the velocity definition is moot unless we define time. Is time universal? Oh, in other words, is there any argument to physicists? The distinction between the past, present, and the future is but a stubborn illusion. Oh, a lot to consider, I know. Faster as we could, as the speed of the light itself. We observe the light is stationary. Now I ask, what is time? Time is not absolute, my friends. It's not rigid, it's flexible. It bends and flows with light. Oh my God. Next, I have explained the light more crucially. That it's not merely a wave, but it's a collection of particles of discrete packets of energy. Oh, that earned me a Nobel Prize and gave rise to the modern quantum mechanics revolution. Next, I turn my attention. Together we raised Hans Albert networks. Friends like Niels Bohr and Max Planck enrich the environment. At last, I would like to say, don't give up. Just
अडिटोरियममा आज पनि र आज छ लास्ट प्रोग्राम आजको दिनको जुन हो कल्चरल इभेन्ट र कल्चरल इभेन्टमा अब यही गएपछि आज लास्ट इभेन्ट गइने हुन्छ भोलि सायद लास्ट हाम्रो सेक्सन राइटिङ छ त्यसपछि कुनै पनि छैन हाम्रो I've arrived in the auditorium. हाम्रो रुबियो पुग्यो ए हो र
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. કેમ છો? મજામાં?
હાય હાય પ્રફુલ, તું તો એકદમ કૃષ્ણ લાગે છે.
અરે હંસા, જામનગરથી બહાર નીકળ, હિન્દીમાં બોલ. હવે આપણે લખનૌમાં છે, નવાબોનું શહેર, જ્યાંની ગલીઓમાં છે મોહબ્બતનું ફિતૂર અને શાહી તહેઝીબ.
अरे तू तो भूल ही गई थी. चलो तो फिर हिंदी में बात करती हूँ. 100 आदमी एक बार. नवरात्रि के कपड़े सिला दिए ने, दिवाली की सफाई हो गई ने. भाई मैंने तो दोनों ही कर लिए और अपना आम का रस भी फ्रीज में रख दिया, क्योंकि हम गुजरातियों के लिए सुबह शाम उठते बैठते सोते जागते खाली आम ही आम.
हंसा, पहले ये तो बता कि हम कहाँ से आए हैं, क्यों आए हैं और मैकफेयर की कल्चरल इवनिंग के लिए क्या प्रस्तुति लेके आए हैं. आज का दिन कितना खास है तुझे पता है?
अरे शांति रखने, मुझे सब पता है. मैं आज फाफड़ा जलेबी खा के आई हूँ ने, इसीलिए खास है.
हंसा, मजाक अपनी जगह, तू छोड़, मैं बताता हूँ. हम आए हैं संस्कारी नगरी वडोदरा से, जो कला, संस्कृति और शिक्षा का प्रमुख केंद्र है. यहाँ की महाराजा सयाजीराव यूनिवर्सिटी हो या कीर्ति मंदिर की शांति, वडोदरा का हर कोना एक कहानी है.
आपने भी सुना ही होगा कि वडोदरा की गलियों में जैसे ही कदम रखते हैं, फाफड़ा जलेबी से लेके थेपला, ऊंधियू और सेव उसड़ की खुशबू आपका स्वागत करती है. आपको पता है हमारे यूनाइटेड वे का गरबा पूरा विश्व में फेमस है.
उसकी तो बात ही कुछ और है, पर आप निराश नहीं होना. हाँ, आज हम आपको उसी की एक झलक दिखाने वाले हैं. ध्यान रहे, इस प्रस्तुति में खमन और ढोकला नहीं मिलेगा, लेकिन मस्ती और मनोरंजन की भरपूर गारंटी है.
तो आइए इस मजेदार सफर की शुरुआत करते हैं. ए हालो, इतना नाच नाच के मैं तो कोई भाई साहब.
आओ ना चाले, अभी तो पिक्चर बाकी है. अगर हम लक्ष्मी विलास पैलेस, कमाटी बाग, सुरसागर लेक, खंडेराव मार्केट और नया मंदिर के बारे में चर्चा न करें तो आधा अधूरा सा नहीं लगेगा.
हाय हाय, जैसे जलेबी बिना ऊंधियू और चाय बिना मस्का बन.
सच्चू बोली हंसा. हमारे यहाँ की दिवाली की रौनक, उत्तरायण के पतंगों की लहरत और होली की रंग की बात ही कुछ और है.
थक गई।
તો બંને હંસા હજુ તો ટ્વિસ્ટ આવવાનો બાકી છે.
હાય હાય પ્રફુલ, ટ્વિસ્ટ એટલે?
ટ્વિસ્ટ એટલે
अरे चक्रम, तुझे तो चक्कर आ गए। तुझे इतना झूलने का मन था तो बरगद के पेड़ पे झूल लेता।
બરગદ એટલે વડ. એ હવે સમજાઈ ગયું. बरगद की बात आई तो सुनो. वड सिर्फ पेड़ नहीं, हम बरोडियंस की पहचान है, पहचान.
अरे वाह प्रफुल, अभी तू कितना सुपर बोला।
सुपक नहीं हंसा, सुपर सुपर. तो सुनो, वड के बिना वडोदरा का हर सपना वीरान है. वडोदरा के लोग विशाल बरगद की पेड़ की तरह अपनी शाखाओं को खुले दिल से फैलाते हैं और अपनी जड़ों की मजबूती से सबको संजीवनी देते हैं.
अच्छा, अपना रमन काकानी भाभीनो भाई नी छोकरी संजीवनी?
अरररररर हंसा हंसा, तू रेवा दे, हूँ कहूँ छू. बरगद के पत्तियों की झनकार और उसकी विशाल तना एकता और संगठन की धरोहर है. ये पेड़ न केवल बरोडियंस की धार्मिक आस्था का प्रतीक है, बल्कि लोगों की सामाजिक और सांस्कृतिक गतिविधियों का एक अनमोल खजाना है. जैसे रा के बिना राम नहीं, वैसे वड के बिना वडोदरा भी नहीं.
अच्छा अच्छा, अब समझ में आया हमारी संस्कारी नगरी का नाम कहाँ से आया.
वड यानी
वडोदरा. जय जय गरवी गुजरात, जय गरवी गुजरात, जय गरवी गुजरात. कुछ दिन तो गुजारो गुजरात में.
हाँ हाँ, कुछ दिन तो गुजारो हमारी संस्कारी नगरी में, संस्कारी नगरी में, संस्कारी नगरी में.
So MS02 has set the tone for the remaining cultural evening. Am I right? What a scintillating performance. This team
Baila como the remix karna, baila como the remix karna, baila como the remix karna, baila